Hi guys, I'm Upaasana and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this really cool product which is L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. I've been using this for the past 3 weeks and I have actually seen the difference. Like, it has visibly reduced my pimples, my acne, my scars, and has made my skin so much smoother, and I'm gonna talk about it in a while. But for now, according to me, this is actually a revolution in skincare. It penetrates up to 10 skin layers to give crystal clear brightness to your skin. Also, it boosts skin moisture, retention, plump, and smoothen the skin. It has a watery texture which allows quick absorption and at the same time leaves your skin highly moisturized. This time I wanted to give you a detailed in-depth review of the product. So let's talk about the ingredients first. Starting off with skin brightening actives salicylic acid. It mildly exfoliates and also refines pores. It kind of gets rid of the dead skin cells and helps in skin renewal. Second, legendary Centella asiatica, if that's the right pronunciation, which is known for its healing power to deeply repair and also smooth out wrinkles, lines, and kind of enhances the elasticity of the skin. Now on to the application. Starting off with a clean face, pour 2 to 3 drops onto your palm, spread it evenly and then pat it gently on your forehead, cheek and chin. And this will leave you with really smooth skin. Now, use once in a day, and pro tip, do not rub excessively between your palms and also do not apply it with cotton. Lastly, if you're still not sure if you want to buy this product or not, then I'm gonna share these immediate effects. First, not exactly first, the entire point is this only, that it leaves your skin very hydrated, plump and refreshed. And after regular use, it gives you smoother skin and crystal clear brightness. So basically, do not stop for clear skin, go for crystal clear skin. And that was it for today's video. I hope this helped you in any way. I am loving this product and I'm very sure that you will love it too. So get your hands on this. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then make sure you check my channel out and also like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Thank you so much and bye bye.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins and he